Good afternoon, everybody. So, concerning the assignment the woman gave to us, so quickly let me just go straight to the assignment without stressing myself. So, here is Pydro 3, the Python IDE and Python editor for Android version and iOS, I guess. So, it is basically for coding. What is mainly used for is Python. There's nothing else. So this is just my PyDrod. I've never done anything on it before. See, I'm just setting up. It doesn't even want in class. I did not even open it. Then, what's your goal? You can choose anything actually, but let me just choose learning Python actually. Then I'm a beginner. Simple terminal or web program, learning machine or AI program. Let me choose this. Preserve existing file. Let us access it all. So our Python ID is now working. I think this is advertisement of now. This is our code space. This is our code space. Whenever you want to write, when you want to view, then you view on that. You tap on the run button, which is this. Now the woman gave us that we should write our name, our department, our favorite food, and I guess. But the above example that I sent is what you are going to work on. Then you go by yourself and check the assignment that the woman gave to us. Then you go and practice it. Now, this is what you want to do: a student application. So this is just to collect student details, just like I want to fill a form. Then the first thing is that students should write a program that collects students' name, collect student department, collect student age, favorite course, and display all information properly. Now, in Python, we have many functions, just like your remote and your television. The function you press on your remote is what is going to have an effect on your television, unless your remote is damaged or something is wrong with it. But if there's nothing that's wrong with your remote, whatever you press is what you are going to see on your television. So now, the first thing we want to display is that we want to write student's name. You can just write any name. So now we are going to be using one function in Python which is called print. Print like this. Print. Now the reason why we use print is that I just like want to print something onto your monitor. You want to print something onto your computer. So we just write the code that you print this. Just simple and short. Just like want to print your results, or you want to print something. Print. You dey go now. So we want to use print. After pressing the print, it automatically complete the. You just use this bracket, then automatically write another one as a closing tag at the back. Then don't forget this column or semicolon. It is essential because that's what you'll be using. That's what you'll be using. That's what your computer understand. That's what your computer hears. That's what shows your computer that this is what I want to display. This is what I want to run. Just like I want to print your document onto a paper. This one is just like I want to print document from your code space into your monitor. Now the student's name. What's my name? Let me just use the admin. No, let me use my real name, Emmanuel. You see that in this code space, autocorrect is disabled. This is coding, not typing messages. Now Emmanuel Ayomide, let's run it. You see, Emmanuel Ayomide, simple and short. Now Emmanuel Ayomide, then you press enter. My department is cyber security, then you print again. You choose this. Don't let me confuse. Let's do it this way. You choose this, then you choose this. Cyber security. Then my age. My age. That should be 21 years old. Mama Melo. Then my favorite course. I don't have any favorite course though, because all these courses will go only. Let me just choose STA 194, ST 196, and COS 102. That's all. Wow, there is an error in what happened. God fuck. Oh, I use capital letter P. Oh God. Just Jesus Christ. It's just because I use capital letter P. You have to take note of that too. There's no capital letter. The print must come with small letters. Now, can just then go and check the assignment and create your ways around this. You can practice as much as you like. Then you can display, you can explore, you can do so many things with it. This is just what the woman wants us to do. Then when it is time for our lesson to come, you understand why we use print, what print means, all this column, everything we have been using. You understand it bit by bit. So just stay tuned and keep in touch. Thank you so much.